beautiful people, it's MOANA and welcome back to my channel. Are you seeing my braids? They're popping. So yesterday morning I came to Ndeje. I came to plait my hair because in this pandemic, if you have some little money, you have to support your friend. So my friend Prossy is a hairstylist, so I decided to come and support her with her braiding my hair. So this is the video how she did it. It's like a home lockdown salon edition. I had so much fun. The experience was so nice. Please sit down and enjoy how these beautiful braids were made. Before we go into the video, please show me some love, hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you'll be notified every time I upload something. And yeah, support her. I'm going to put her number and any information that is useful in the description section so that you can check her out, support her also. She's a very good hairstylist and very gentle with hair. So yeah, enjoy. So guys, we started off by unplaiting the hair. I know you're going to be like, which hairstylist works on natural hair and uses such a comb? Yeah, it was gentle. I didn't have any pains. My hair didn't break so much. And we're improvising. So we had that because the braids I had on were tight. So she had to use that comb. And yeah. So we unplaited the hair first. And here is when unplaiting is done. My hair was so dirty and very dry, very dry, but yo, I got some length, almost shoulder length. Yay! Now for washing, we boiled some water and added in a bucket. So she washed my hair with warm water, not so hot but warm. Okay, you could feel the heat but not so much to burn your scalp. And my hair is so thick, you guys, so thick and dry, and I thank God it did not break so much. It did not break so much. I guess it's because of the shampoo I was using previously and also the oil that I have been putting, and I don't manipulate my hair so much. So yeah, it did not break so much. And Bambi, she was washing my hair gently, and it was so clean. So when washing was done, she put leave-in conditioner in my hair so that my hair gets soft and easy to work with, since it is so thick and it was super duper dry. After she oiled my hair so that my scalp doesn't dry up also from the shampoo she used, and yeah, it was really nice experience. I can't tell if the oil was organic or not, but that's what she used. after hours and it was night, but the braids looked so nice and they were not hurting. There was no pain, there was nothing apart from being tired of sitting for some time. Yeah, but I enjoyed. They look so nice. They really look so nice. Guys, thanks for watching.